right, here we are in a beautiful Roanoke, Texas morning, handling several cars in the collection here indoors. Kind of nice. It's very hot outside. This one's got a wow factor plus on it. Very cool 1969 Chevy Nova SS 396 big block. We're going to walk around and tell you about what we know. We have a lot of documentation that's in the trunk of this car that's included with it. It's finished in Hugger Orange, which is a special order for this car. They have the NCRS shipping sheet on the car, the copy of the broadcast sheet. We're going to get back to the office and decode the broadcast sheet. We've went over all the numbers and we'll actually have it up on the lift here for you. It has a very high-end professional style restoration on it. A few of the highlights here. We're going to go over all the numbers, but we did go over the suffix pad. It appears authentic and it does have the car's VIN sequence on it. JL, which is a 375 horse 396. All the smog equipment, everything underneath the hood. You can see that picture. You're going to see it shortly. I'll cover the video, cover that with you. But very, I would call it an exquisite restoration on this car. M21 4-speed transmission. We'll get back and look at the broadcast sheet. That's the only part on the broadcast sheet that I wasn't able to decode here. And we'll get it up on the lift and get any numbers, that kind of thing. It is possible that the 4-speed was added to this car, but we'll look at the broadcast sheet and find the answer to that for you. Very nice. Just as it looks on the outside, and the bottom is the engine compartment is all the same that way. The Hugger Orange finish is nice. The gaps on all the panels is excellent. Way better than factory would have been, that's for dang sure. 69 Nova SS big block is definitely a rare bird or duck or whatever you want to call it. Beautiful car. Polyglas F70-14 tires. Again, original broadcast sheet for this one. Copy of it. If you're looking for a Nova that's a blast to drive, will most certainly grab attention anywhere, but especially at a show, this car definitely do the trick. Black interior, all very nicely done. Looks like they put all new foam in it. Had to be a nice car to begin with. Looking at the level of restoration here. Dome light works, back side of the seat. Door jamb to door jamb. We'll get it up on the lift here for you. Boom, I just barely pushed that door. SS rally wheels, SS trim. Going to give you an idea of the reflections here on the back. SS trim. We'll get you in the trunk. There's a high-end car cover with it. That show board will go with it. It'll be in the trunk or the back seat of the car. And the documents we talked about. Spud's Garage, I will have these documents for your review. I took photos of them, but here's the NCRS shipping data report, broadcast sheet, breakdown of the broadcast sheet, and of course, here. Get you inside here. Runs wonderfully. Starts right up. And we've done our best to document the numbers. $32,698 at time of inspection. There's the oil idiot light. Temp light. We're going to put some gas in it before we drive it over the lift. We don't have a lift on location, but we are taking it to a lift at the owner's house. Never play the radios anyway. Figured you get the idea. All right, we'll get you underneath the hood here on the SS 96 Cover what we know. We were able to retrieve the intake number for you. We took a really good picture of the suffix pad on it, so you can look at the broaching, that type of thing. JL. It does have the sequence of the VIN number on it. Factory power steering, excuse me, not power steering, power disc brakes, no power steering. Very authentic style restoration on this car, very nicely done. We took the numbers off the carburetor to list numbers for you, put pictures of data tags, that type of thing, casting number. We'll share all that with you at spudsgarage.com. As we mentioned during the walk around, there's the show board. All right, we got it running here for you. Sounds great. Still a little cold. All right, we'll get you the suffix pad here. Study that. All right, quick little clip here. This is a file that's going to be in the trunk of the car. A few advertisements. Here's a photocopy laminated of the original broadcast sheet. Here's another copy of it right there, and here's a breakdown on it. We have not decoded all of that. We will get back to the office. Again, high-level restoration. Floor pans here. Get you up into the quarters. Just full spare, hugger orange in color. Just go to the quarters here. Very nice car. Here's the file that comes with it. We've documented that in a video here, either before or after this. And here's some photos of the car up on the lift, and we're actually going to get it up on the lift today. Very high level restoration, nicely done, rotisserie style. All the factory style markings on it. Authentic in its presentation, as I would say. It's got the spiral shocks in the back. They marked the drive shaft, all the components. A lot of new stuff underneath here. Man, if you're looking for a real SS 396 big block, this is a beauty. Disc brakes up front, factory disc brakes. Everything's either been rebuilt or restored. Go back through this way and share it with you. We did take a picture of the date code on the 4-speed transmission, and again, we'll further decode this by the broadcast sheet. Well, we think you get the idea. This certainly is a nice one. We'll try and do some kind of exterior walk around here, kind of give you a feel. A little bit of an entry scuff there you really can't see. It's hugger orange. Touch it up, you'll never see it. There you go. Make sure you go to spudsgarage.com.